welcome. Today we're looking at the 750mm RainCatcherMat from Planting Systems Australia. A few things I want to sort of show you, particularly with not just its rain harvesting ability, but also too its ability to be able to give you weed-free maintenance, which is a big thing with tree planting. You know, a big part of the time spent managing trees is related to grass and weeds that come around the tree, and competition for those plants in the first 2 years is really important, you know, to minimize the competition, particularly from uptake. Grasses are much faster growing than the trees are, so it's important to keep that base clear around the tree. I'm just going to quickly look at this one and I'll show you how it all works. Now this one here is actually in the paddock, and we've had the chickens in here at the moment, keeping the grass down before spring, just to allow that bit of fresh growth. You can see they've been scratching about with a little bit of grass in and around here. But you can see here we've got 750mm wide area through here of weed-free maintenance. And even inside here, we look inside the tree, a little bit of a weed in there, but this is a little Quercus ilex, which is evergreen oak, and it's doing really well in here. Only been in there for a year, but it's doing really well. But the most important thing you see here is this edge right around. There's nothing within here except that little bit of debris that is stopping this tree from growing. So I've just taken this guard off just to sort of show you what we've got here. So this has been dished out. This is actually a bit deeper than the edge. The top edge here is about nearly 100mm difference between top and bottom. Let's clear this mulch away. And you can see here, no weeds at all. And we can actually maintain this edge just with a brush cutter and just cut this edge off and keep this grass down around here. But you've got all this area around through here which has got no competition with the tree at all.